Remington's Beard Boss Style and Detail Kit. It gives you total control of your style so you can look your best every day. Here are some tips that will help you get the most out of this premium beard trimmer. Keep the trimmer plugged in for 4 hours until it's fully charged before the first use. Always wait to recharge until the battery is completely drained. This will help the battery maintain its full capacity and runtime, which is an impressive 180 minutes with each full charge. That's 3 full hours of runtime, giving you months of powerful trimming and detailing. And there's even a quick charge function that gives you enough juice to finish styling after just 5 minutes of charging. The trimmer has an extended neck to make it easy to trim around your jawline and the edges of your facial hair. If you've got a thick beard, you'll love turbo mode. When the trimmer is on, just hit the power button again and the blades get a burst of energy to take care of thick growth in no time. The kit comes with an adjustable, length-altering comb that has options for 9 different lengths. Find the one that fits your style and lock it in. You also get 6 fixed-length combs if that's more your style. The Crafter is waterproof, so you can trim in the shower or cut hair that's wet. It also makes cleanup incredibly easy. When it's time to clean up the details, attach the mini foil shaver or the nose and ear hair trimmer to finish off the job. Whether you have a full beard, mustache, goatee, or you're going for a style that's all your own, the Beard Boss Style and Detail Kit can keep it looking